Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here from Wellwoven, and in this video, I wanted to do a quick tour of our Easton, Pennsylvania distribution facility. Right now, I'm on top of an order picker. This piece of equipment that you see here is essential to our daily activities. All the rugs that come in and out of the facility are most likely assisted with one of these pieces of equipment. These are Toyota order pickers. They go up to about 30 feet high. The total clearance in the building is about 33 feet. This is an essential piece of equipment for us here at Wellwoven. I'd love to tell you a few points about this facility. We broke ground in 2021, and we were active in this facility in fall of 2021. We spent some time arranging the racking, getting the sprinkler system set up. This is really a fun project for us. As a startup company, we're really hands-on with everything that we do. The engineering of this was done by my colleague, Luba, along with several other team members to help make essentially design the racking system according to code and also according to the inflows and outflows of this facility. So what we're looking at, what is this building warehouse? It warehouses rugs. Our core focus here at Wellwoven is area rugs in a range of different qualities and sizes. Small rugs like this. This is our Medusa collection. This is a 2.7 by 10 to roll runners to all sorts of collections. What's cool about the facility is everything is electronically stored or electronically inventoried. So everything that gets put away or scanned out or shipped out is scanned. So we have a really rigorous inventory tracking process up to the latest standards. And what we pride ourselves is on our lead time. All dropship orders ship in about 24 hours. All of our LTL orders ship in about 72 hours. And we're working every day to improve our service to our customers. So we're just walking through one aisle right here. One thing we've done to save energy is to have on-motion lighting, as you can see. So that's something we're really happy about. It's among the modern standards for warehousing. We have plenty of loading docks. I'll probably show you that in the next video, but plenty of loading docks. So why did we move to this facility? Really to serve our customers better. As an omni-channel rug design development company, being able to have the space, the capacity to store product, to have square footage for special projects, box programs, reverse rolling, and array of other services that we offer. This facility is fundamental to be able to provide that service to our customers. Thank you so much for this tour. I'm walking. I hope to show you more of this in a future video. Thank you so much again, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.